Hi. Peace and greetings to you. My name is Magenta, and I'm here to guide you through a quick, about 10-minute meditation. And this is just a moment to kind of slow down, tune into the breath, and kind of come back to your body, come back to your being. I think it's really easy these days to find ourselves overstimulated by what we're consuming, whether that be, different types of social media content, different types of news, even just people around us, can be a lot to consume. So today we're going to practice just allowing ourselves to be with the breath and with the body. So we're going to start by finding a comfortable seated position. Starting to notice how your sits bones feel either against the chair or against the ground. Feeling rooted in our seat. And maybe the eyes start to close here, or maybe it feels better if we keep them open. Starting to notice the breath. Noticing the inhale and noticing the exhale. Starting to find that rhythm within the body. Nice big inhale as you expand the lungs. Nice big exhale as you let it go. Maybe now you're noticing some sensations in the body. Knowing that small movements are okay here. There's no rule in meditation that you have to be completely still. So maybe you find a gentle sway from side to side. Or maybe the movement of your stomach and your chest expanding with your inhale and coming back with your exhale. Maybe that's enough movement for you. But wherever we are, kind of just rooting into this present moment. Rooting into the body. Rooting into the spirit. Welcoming the breath. Allowing any thoughts that come to just kind of float past you. No need to meet our thoughts with judgment or analysis. You can just notice them, say, I honor you, and allow it to drift by, coming back to the breath. So each time we practice coming back to the breath, it gets easier and easier to find this state of meditation. Continuing to breathe. Continuing to just allow yourself to be here with the sounds of the earth. And if it feels aligned, as you listen to the sounds of the earth and the sounds of the river, you might ask the earth if it has any wisdom or any messages for you. These messages might come in now during this meditation, or they might come in throughout the next 24 hours or throughout the next week. Just sort of asking the earth for any guidance you may need. Making her aware that you are open to receive her wisdom. Continuing to breathe here. Taking just a little bit more time to be right here in the present. Nothing else to do, nowhere else to be. Just you and your breath. Knowing that we can come back to this meditative, peaceful state at any time. Just by closing the eyes and grounding into the breath. That's all we did here. And as we start to come back to awareness, back to the present moment, you might start to wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes, finding some small movements in the body. Blinking the eyes open only when you feel ready. Knowing that there's no rush. I'll meet you here with the hands at the heart space. Eyes open or closed. Thank you so much for practicing today. You are doing the world a favor when you take care of yourself and when you make space for mindfulness. When each of us takes space for mindfulness, the world becomes a better place. So thank you for doing your part today. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. And if you're interested in seeing more guided meditations, more yoga classes, affirmation videos, or nature soundscapes, you can find them on my channel, Magenta's Garden. And I hope to practice again with you very, very soon. Ashe.